Uhandi uyu wa mĩtĩ ũtabanirio kauntĩ-inĩ ya Kericho thukuru-inĩ wa mathomo ma arutani kuria mĩtĩ ĩtanyihĩire 1,500 irahandirwo.
We are here to contribute to the national strategy of planting trees as per the government policy, and we are glad. For us, it is a very humble, a very fulfilling opportunity for us to be able to contribute to this tree planting.
And today we are planting indigenous trees that will ensure that they don't take too much water, they are long-lasting and high-quality trees.
Mĩhang'o ĩno ĩtabanĩtio nĩ maabithaa a Mbirarũ manyitanĩire na maabithaa angĩ a thirikari ya kauntĩ ya Kericho.
And we are ready to plant as many trees as possible wherever we get it, not only today until we live here. And for the disciplined forces, as you are aware, we are doing our best to conserve our environment so that we have a better environment.
Presently, the forest cover for Kericho County is 22%. It is higher than others, but we want to achieve at least 30%. And so every year, this year we're planting 4 million trees.
Maugĩte nĩ mehotorete gũkinyanĩria kĩroto gĩa bũrũri ya kũhanda mĩtĩ bilioni 15 ihinda-inĩ rĩa mĩaka 10 yũkĩte.
We have lost a lot of trees through illegal logging. We need to replant these trees so that we don't witness bad weather condition or climatical changes in future. We are planting this for our children, just like our forefathers planted this for us. So let's not let down the generations that will come.
Mũingĩ wa kauntĩ ĩno ũrathingatwo hĩmbĩrie njĩra cia ũrĩmi iria citarĩ na mogwati kũrĩ marĩa matũrigicĩirie. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Getu wa Ngari Maria wa Mũigana.